Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Allison, and in this quick video I'm sharing with you guys how you can make a delicious, easy, and healthy chocolate pudding using avocado. That's right, an avocado and two other ingredients. So if you're on a mission to eating better. In fact, you've been eating a lot healthier, but you still have that sweet tooth, but you're looking for some healthy alternatives, then stay tuned to this video. As I mentioned, there are only three ingredients that you will need to make this delicious, healthy chocolate pudding. If you're new here on the channel, I just provide some basic holistic health and wellness self-care tips for Black women over the age of 50 to empower them to live the life that they desire and deserve, age gracefully, and obtain optimal health. Included on the channel, I have just some basic and very easy, healthy recipes. So if you're looking to reduce or stop eating meats and you're looking for some healthy recipes that you can prepare a meal in less than 30 minutes, then check out the playlist. I will include it at the end of this video where you can, again, just find some different healthy recipes. But I hope you enjoy this video, and if you make the chocolate pudding, please come back to this video and leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are. It is really delicious and nice and creamy using an avocado. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, a detailed list of all the ingredients that I'm using in the pudding can be found in the description section of this video. If you make the pudding, please come back and share in the comment section what your thoughts are. I really would appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Wow.